Let me give you the facts. Our state-of-the-art automated production line can churn out 5,000 raised access floor panels every single day. Yes, 5,000 panels on one line per day. That kind of productivity means you can finally say goodbye to unreliable suppliers who overpromise and underdeliver. Imagine this, your project running smoothly with every component arriving exactly when it's needed. At Abite, our cutting-edge facility in China leverages advanced technology and rigorous quality control to ensure that every panel not only meets but exceeds industry standards. We know speed matters, and that's why we're committed to delivering fast and efficient service, on time, every time. Are you working on a high-stakes project? Do you need raised floors that guarantee performance and durability? With Abite, you're not just getting a product, you're gaining a partner who understands your needs and is dedicated to helping your business succeed. Our reliable and scalable production capabilities mean that no matter how big or small your order, we've got you covered. Don't let delays hold you back. Get in touch with us today to learn how our high-quality raised access floor panels can elevate your business and keep your projects on track. Choose Abite, where precision meets reliability in every panel,